Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make the famous dish from Hyderabad, the Mutton Tahari. So here I have 500 grams of mutton. I'm going to marinate this with a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, and approximately 200 grams of yogurt. I'd prefer to marinate this for at least a few hours. If not, then at least 2 hours you should leave it aside to get marinated. So let's keep it aside for at least 2 hours right now. So while the meat is getting marinated, let's proceed with the gravy for this. I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. The oil is hot. I'm going to add some whole spices to this. 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon, 4 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, and a teaspoon of black cumin seed, what we normally call the shahajira. And to this, I'm going to add 4 sliced onions, let's add half a teaspoon of salt to this so that the onions brown faster. The onions have browned really well. Let's add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this till the raw smell goes off. And now I'm going to add 3 medium tomatoes that I have finely chopped. And we have to cook this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. The tomatoes have cooked. Let's quickly add our dry spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. And to this, we're going to add the marinated meat. Let me quickly get it. I'm going to increase the flame to a high. Add the marinated meat. And I'm going to sear the meat for at least 3 to 4 minutes. What an amazing aroma. I'm now going to reduce the flame to a medium-low and add a cup of water to this. Mix it well and cover and cook this till the mutton is almost done. We kept the mutton to cook till it was almost done. Let's check. The meat is almost cooked. Here I have 500 grams of basmati rice which I had soaked in water for almost 15 to 20 minutes and I've drained the water. I'm going to add this to the mutton. Now to cook the rice, I'm going to add 1.5 liters of water. I'm just going to throw in some slit green chilies, 3 to 4 of them. 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of finely chopped mint leaves, a teaspoon of salt. Stir this gently. Drizzle a tablespoon of ghee. Mix this well and cover it and cook till the rice is done. I've kept the flame on a medium to low. We kept the rice to cook for almost 15 to 20 minutes. And the rice is ready as well. And our tehari is also ready. Let's garnish this beautiful mutton tahari with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. And it's ready to be served. Sometimes when you are tired of cooking an elaborate meal, this one pot meal is an ideal thing to cook. Do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.